Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking these sandblasted propane tanks. We're going to be unmasking these things, masking them back up, hanging these things, then sand them down, epoxy prime them, and then 2 coats of urethane top coat. They're going to be as good as new. So this is a pretty typical system for us. We don't ever bother doing industrial on them or anything like that. It really is just a waste of time.
Now that I got them all unmasked, I'm gonna blow them all off and mask them up with some masking tape.
So in that short clip, I was kind of showing you, if you pay attention to the pattern, there's kind of two little tails. And what that is I call them tails, and what it is, they'll leave two lines as you're painting. And what that is because the coating is too thick for the tip and the current pressure. So one way you can get rid of that is crank up the pressure a bit more, and then it will refine it more through the tip, and you shouldn't have those two lines. It'll be an even pattern like it should be. Lots of people will say add thinner, and that really is probably the worst thing that you could do, because you're putting more thinner into the coating. That's not going to be the ratio that it's planned or made to be at, which will lead to the coating won't last as long, and then the person's probably going to wonder why the paint job didn't last. And maybe a few other things could always happen too. There's one thing lots of people don't really get to see, and that is a paint job the day it's sprayed or the day after. That is the best that job's ever gonna look. It's amazing. It just looks so much better. It doesn't have time to shrink the coating into the blast pits and stuff like that. It is smooth as can be. So this is that super rusty tank that we did. As you can see, I'll show you some of the pitting. As far as the giveaway, I'm actually going to make it a week longer because I actually did edit this video like early into this week because this is the only time I'm going to have time to edit it. So I'm going to extend it another week in the next video. That is when I'm going to have the winner, and then I guess we will see who the winner is. So this video was from a while ago, so I actually did have time to actually get a few drone shots, which was kind of nice. Thanks for watching, guys. I do really appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.